One thing I can show you of is that you are not going to just start making 1,000 sales the very first day you start off. It's going to be a small and a growing pace. It depends on how fast you want to go. So you have to learn other strategies apart from just having the skill. So you need to learn how to do marketing. You can read marketing books or even use ChatGPT to teach you strategies through which you can market yourself out there. You need to probably use premium services like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and all that to boost your market and a whole lot. So you need to find ways and means to make your skill go out there. You also need to increase your following on social media. This can come through effective reach out to people like the cold outreach. You can reach out to people. Hi, I do this and that. I would like you to save my number while I save yours. Then we can get in touch. You can use this method, and they are going to gradually help you to boost your skills. And also, whenever you offer service to someone, let them refer you. Word of referral is more powerful than first time advertisement. So you should get them to refer you to people. And once they refer you, you know you are in business. Thank you very much for taking this course, and I hope you've learned a lot. The comment section is there, the discussion page is there. You can always reach out there and we'll get interactive. Thank you very much. See you in my next course.